Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to unbox and take a look at the Sunforce 15 LED string lights that we can put up here in our trellis. So let's take a look. This thing says that they're waterproof to IP44, whatever that means, but they're outdoors, so hopefully they work good. And it does come with a remote, so let's take a look. So here we go. All right. Directions. Screws for mounting. We'll see what it's for mounting in a second. Oh, this is a cute little remote. That's the remote to turn it on and do whatever else with it. Oh, it comes with a stand of some sort. I don't know how that works, but it comes with a stand and a stake to put it in the ground. And it comes with a nice big solar panel. So these don't get plugged into the main power. These are solar powered, and this is a really big solar panel. So that's going to be really nice, so we don't have to worry about power. And then they gave us a whole bag of lights. So let's take a look at these things. Now the lights are actually plastic, which is nice, so don't have to worry about breaking glass here. And there they are. And they're cute. Look at the kind of light bulb they are. They one filament in the middle. So it should be pretty nice. They're pretty heavy duty. Very nicely done. Good solid cable here, which is really nice. And it's 35 feet long, 15 bulbs. Okay, so I spent a few minutes, a little more than a few minutes, untangling all the lights and laying them out on the table. This way we can try it out and see how well they work, make sure all the bulbs are alive. The other thing is cool is this is a stand for the solar panel. So all we have to do is push this on here. There's a little screw hole in the bottom. Tighten down the little screw. And now it's hooked up to this little base. All right, I can rotate around all I want, which is nice. Leave it like this. And then this thing you can mount, has screw mounts. You can mount this wherever you'd like. We're going to mount it on top of our trellis here, our arbor. And then this snaps onto the base here. That's it. And now you've got your solar panel hooked up, and you can hook it up any way you want. So we'll just leave that there for now. And then you have to connect this up. So again, we line this up here. And it's got a little cap on it so that it's protected from the weather. Okay. And now watch this. There's a switch on the back. Right here is a switch. You know if you can see it. If I flip the switch, the lights come on. And as you can see, all 15 lights are lit up. And these are plastic, so you don't have to worry about breaking a bulb. And that's it. It's there. It's put together and it's ready to go. If you don't want to mount it like we are up on top of the arbor, they actually have a mount here that hooks up to the thing that's a stake, so you can do it with a stake to hook it up. And then I should be able to turn them on and off with a button. It works. There we go. I now have the lights turned on by remote. So we've installed them here in the arbor, and as you can see, they look really nice. They're nice and bright. They really light up the area nice. We're looking forward to using them. So that's the Sunforce 15 LED lights for string lights for outdoor use. Solar panel, LED light bulbs, 15 of them. Don't need any plugs for it. It runs totally off the solar power. Thanks for watching our video today. I'll put links on where to buy in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so you can be notified the next time we have a video. And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.